The cast of Tonight Show here at Holana's Unbelievable. I said welcome to the stage.
And now, the 6 merry murderesses of the Captain Hook County Jail in their rendition of The Spellbound Tango.
Like Jasper and Horace. They didn't know their fabrics. I asked for spots. No, not stripes, not dots, spots. So I came home this Monday and I'm really irritated and I'm looking for a little bit of sympathy, and there's Jasper and Horace lying on the couch drinking a beer with 10 yards of dotted fabric. No, not spots, dots. So I said to him, I said, you want me dots one more time? And they did. The shotgun off the wall and I fired 2 warning shots into their heads. They had it coming. They had it coming. They only had themselves to blame. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same. Doc in a faraway land about 2 years ago. He told me he was single and we hit it off right away. So we started living together. He'd go to work in Lost Jewel Mines and come home speaking hi-ho. I'd fix him a drink, we'd have dinner, and then I found out. Single, he told me. Single my glass. Not only was he married, oh no, he had 6 men. One of those drawers, you know. So that night, when he came home from work, I fixed him a drink as usual. You know, some guys just can't hold their apple juice. He had it coming. He had it coming. He took a flower and it cried. And then he used it. And he abused it. It was a murder, but not a crime. Now I'm standing over the cauldron, mixing up some catfish for dinner, minding my own business. In Stone's prison, Eric in a jealous rage. You've been screwing King Triton, he said. He was crazy. And he kept on screaming, you've been screwing King Triton. And then he ran into my tentacles. He ran into my tentacles 8 times. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same. The mirror dark Marcus Moss, Trudeau Jr., Emilia Fieldmoss, Archimedes, the bed taken Lily Madonna de la Bouche, Humphrey the Bed, Drusilla, La Fou, Le Mirasima, Bonsai, Kronk, Shruvutsu. Yes, but did you do it? Not guilty.
My brother Mufasa and I had the circus act, and my lady Sarabi used to tag along with us. Now for the last number in our act, we did these 20 acrobatic tricks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 splits, spread eagles, backflips, flip-flops, one right after the other. So this one night before the show, I go down to the Hotel Figaro, hanging with the hyenas, having a few laughs. Then we run out of zebra, so I run out to get some. I come back into the den, and there's Sarabi and Mufasa doing number 17, the spread eagle. Well, I was in such a state of shock, I completely blacked out. I don't remember a thing. It wasn't until later when I was washing the blood off my paws, I even knew they were dead.
Say. He was an artistic guy, sensitive and full of wishes, but he was always trying to find himself. He'd go out every night looking for himself, and on the way, he found flora, fauna, and Merryweather. I guess you could say we broke up because of artistic differences. He saw himself as alive, and I saw him dead. The dirty
Number 17, the spray.
fish.
Hero.
Wishes.
Thanks for watching Spell Bartender. I'm Tyler and you can follow me at Tommy Ross on Instagram and Twitter to see my behind the scenes stuff from this project as well as